What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. All right, so after 3 betas, Apple decided to drop the RC for watchOS 11.3, and as you can see, it just finished installing on our Apple Watch. So now that this is done, it's been sitting for a few minutes. We'll put it through its normal paces, but if you guys are new to the channel or haven't been following this beta too much, there is nothing new in 11.3, unfortunately. It's been very weird for Apple Watch software updates. They haven't had a lot of new features being added, not even new watch faces. We've been pretty critical of that. And we've had some issues with not only the betas, but the full releases for watchOS recently. Battery life's been very inconsistent, especially on the betas here, but even with 11.2, it just didn't operate like it really should have. But I will say, jumping around here in the RC, like we traditionally do, just doing basic tasks, it was working pretty well. It's been very fluid, as you would hope to expect from a public release. Now again, no new features are in here. I want to go ahead and show you the build number here. And actually, let's take a look at the upgrade size here as well. And as you can see, for the RC, it actually came in at only 264 megabytes, a lot smaller than what obviously iOS came in at. So this was even smaller than the last beta was. That came in a little over 300 megabytes. So beyond that, though, also going into your Apple Watch or in the app and going to Settings, General, About, you guys can see here, watchOS 11.3 has a public release build number of 22S553. Now, barring any unforeseen bugs that wasn't found in this prior build or this new build that just got released, you can actually expect this update to roll out very soon, probably by the 27th, if not the 28th at the latest. Apple traditionally releases the RC to developers, and then public beta testers and the regular general public should be later this week, with the public release being the 27th or 28th. Now, hopefully more exciting even is what's to come after this. So hypothetically, if you guys were to download this and be waiting for iOS 18.4 and watchOS 11.4, we shouldn't have to wait too long. That should actually be coming here in the very near future. If, say, 11.3 drops on the 27th, probably on the 28th, we will have the new beta 1 for 18.4 and 11.4. There's no telling what we can actually anticipate in these betas anymore with Apple Watch, because it's been so stagnant and Apple has been focusing on Apple Intelligence features. I'm going to assume it's just going to be more bug fixes and behind the scenes improvements, maybe some health category changes and things like that. But that's all speculation. It's yet to be seen. But again, nothing crazy on this version right here of the upgrade. You can jump in. Everything's as smooth as it was before. Never had any pairing issues or issues like that. So hopefully nothing new pops up. That's it for this one, guys. Sorry it was so boring, but go grab it if you're a registered developer. If not, get ready for the public release next week. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.